Well, welcome back, third graders. This is Mr. Bartito one more time. Now, for this lesson, we'll be comparing four-digit numbers. Okay, and the way we compare them, we're going to be using less than, okay, greater than, okay, or equal to. Okay, those are the three signs that we'll be using. Again, we'll be using uh, less than, greater than, or equal to. Okay. So these are the ones that we'll be using right here. Okay. So let's look at a couple examples. Look at letter A on part one. Okay. It says write less than, greater than, or equal to on each line. Okay. I have to look at the place of each number. So the thousands are the same. That wouldn't tell me which number is greater or less or equal to. Okay. The hundreds are the same. Okay. But look at the thousand, the tens. In one of them I have one, on the other I have three. So what's greater, one or three? Okay, three is. Okay, so in this case, one is actually less than three. So my sign that I'm going to use is okay less than. Okay. Now let's look at letter B. Okay, again, let's start off from the thousands and until you find the two numbers that are different. So look, I have thousands here, okay, 8 and 8. Those are the same. Let's go to the hundreds place. In the hundreds place, I have an 8, okay, on the left, and on the right, I have a 7. And now I can use my signs. Well, is 8 less than 7? Is 8 greater than 7? Or is 8 equal to 7? That's right. In this case, 8 is actually greater than 7. So 8,887 is greater than 8,788. Okay? Let's do a couple more. Look at letter F. Okay? Again, let's look at the numbers in the thousands place. I have a 5 and a 5. So that would work. That really doesn't, right now it tells you they're equal. But let's continue. Okay? And then in the hundreds, I have 5 and another 5. In the tens, I have a 1 and another 1. So far, the numbers are equal to each other, right? And then lastly, I have a 2 and another 2 in the ones place. So in this case, is 5,512, is it less than, greater than, or equal to 5,512? So look, all the numbers are the same. All the numbers are the same. So in this case, letter F, and my sign is equal to. On part two, it says circle the greater amount in each pair. Okay. So look, in letter M, I have 2,929, and then I have 399. Just by looking at this right here, I know that 2,929 is actually greater than. Okay. Part B says circle the smaller number. So I'm going to look at the smaller number. Okay. If I look at letter Q, I have numbers in the thousands that are the same, numbers in the hundreds that are the same, numbers in the tens, I have a 0, and then I have a 1. Which one's less, 0 or 1? Okay, or which one's smaller, 0 or 1? That's right. So in this case, it would be 7,008. That is actually smaller. Okay. On part 4, what they want you to do, okay, they want you on each line write out the words is greater than, is less, or is equal to. Okay, so let's do letter S. Okay, again, I have a 9 in the thousands. I have a 0 in the hundreds. Wow, and then I have an 8 in the tens. So what's left? Now I have a 7 in the ones. Okay, I have a 7 in the ones right here. and then I have a 9 in the ones. So is 7 greater than 9? Is 7 less than 9? Or is 7 equal to 9? Yeah, you're right. 7 is less than. So you would say is, you would write is less than. Okay. And then for part 5, I'll let you do that on your own. Okay. Those are just some word problems that you could work on. Okay. Same concept. Okay. Now you're just answering the question: who has more cows on the farm for letter X? And which day did they gather fewer, fewer eggs for letter Y? All right. Enjoy. Have fun. Till next time. Got you. You thought I was done. Actually, no, I wasn't. So we're going to do the last page in your packet. It's called ordering numbers. Okay. It says rewrite each list of numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay. What that means is from smallest, okay, from the from the smallest number to the biggest number. And that is just what least to greatest means, okay? So in this case, what would be the smallest number? Okay, you're right. That would be 12, so that would go first. What would come next? Yep, correct. 15 would come next. And then after 15, either 21 or 18, okay? If you're not sure, just go 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, 18 comes next. And then actually, obviously, the last one would be 21. Okay? So that would be letters A, B, C, and D, E, F. Okay? And then the last one, it says, in the box below, write 4 numbers. Have a friend rewrite them in order to the least to greatest. Okay? So you maybe could write 4 numbers in the box, and then maybe have your mom or dad or brother rewrite them in order from least to greatest. Okay? All right. Now we're done. So again, the last page, you need to put the numbers in order from least, okay, to greatest. Okay, from least to greatest.